Hi, I'm Ron Ogden. Today, how to get to the top of the crane in the Quarry in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. And in the words of one of my favorite characters of all time, hey kids, let me show you something. Come with me as we do some shotgun jumps. To get to the top of the crane in the Quarry, you'll have to start a custom map. Change the custom rules to give you double max life, fast health regeneration, and make friendly fire shared. These options will allow us to shoot our teammates to a higher point on the Quarry and allow them to survive. You must have your teammate on the second railing of the crane, then jump down to the barrels below, hop on them, and use a high-powered shotgun to jump your friend to the next area. Once up there, you can jump your way up to the top. You're just walking along, and you got your shotgun. You point it at your partner, and all of a sudden, your head's falling off! I'm Ron Ogden. I'll see you next time.